First, you're going to need a rack of lamb. Alright, so I just used a knife and just, chop them into pieces. Dump it in this little mixing bowl here. I've added all the seasonings and stuff. There's oil, there's cumin, garlic, and salt, and black pepper. Find like the largest pan you have because otherwise you're gonna have to do this in batches. We're gonna pan sear one side of it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them. Oh man, it smells so good right now, guys. Pan fry for another 2 to 3 minutes on this side. And here it is, pan-fried cumin lamb chops. The full recipe can be found on the blog, snapletsEat.com. And yes, Simba really wanted some too.